Oh, thank goodness. I respawned without those holes on my face. That was not a good look. Now it's time to get my revenge with my own Nerf fidget spinner gun. Ah! Come on!
That's right, 10 extra large meat lovers pizzas. And I need them delivered in time for my lunchtime meal. Yes. The name on the credit card is Danny Gun, and the number is...
Why didn't I think of this last time? Okay, while I'm here, let me gather the supplies I'm gonna need for my own Nerf fidget spinner gun mod.
Actually, make that 20 pizzas. That's right.
Tommy!
What up?
Well, what's up is that you put 3 holes in my face with your Nerf fidget spinner gun.
I see they're gone.
Not for long.
Huh?
I mean, I'm going to put some holes in your face.
That's not very nice.
Where are the fidget spinners?
Fidget spinners? Dude, that fad is so over. Fidget spinners are lame now, man.
Whatever. I don't care, man. I don't care if they're not cool. I want to kill you with them, alright?
Danny? Does this mean what I think it means?
Nerf war.
Nerf war.
Nerf war!
Nerf war!
I need to find those fidget spinners! Where are you? Come on! Come on, little guys! Come on, where are you? Come on! You gotta be here somewhere! I know you gotta be here somewhere, little guys!
What am I in the mood for today? I think I want something like that.
If I don't find those fidget spinners, I'm a dead man! Why? Why? They were everywhere before, everywhere! In the garbage! Damn! Tommy was right. These aren't cool anymore. Now I need a gun.
Hey! That's my Nerf gun!
It's mine now.
You know what, man? I'm not gonna share any of my pizza with you. Pizzas?
What pizzas?
Did I say pizzas? I meant,
Is this my greatest Nerf gun mod of all time? Probably not.
You ready to get some more holes in your face?
The holes are gonna be in your face this time.
My pizzas.
Yeah, that was awesome. Guys, make sure you subscribe, because my bro over there is going to respawn and he's going to be very angry at me because I ruined his pizza party. And in the comments below, let me know what I should name this triple fidget spinner Nerf gun mod. Also, click like for putting 3 fidget spinners on my Nerf gun. And hey, have you seen part 1 of this video? No? Click on this link right over here, okay? It'll take you there. And now I'm going to go have some free pizza.